Hi guys, and welcome to the part 4 of this Streamlit series. So in the previous video, we saw how you can add and display data into your uh, Streamlit app. And in this video, we will be seeing how you can visualize that data in the forms of plots. And we will also be seeing how you can add media such as videos, audios, and photos to your Streamlit app. So let's get started. So first of all, I have created this plots.py script and imported Streamlit as st. I have imported pandas as pd. So pandas is a data manipulation library in Python. Then I have added numpy as np. So to visualize and plot, we need to have some data. So I have created this data frame data where I have generated random numbers and we have 100 rows and 3 columns. So I have named those columns as A, B, and C. So Streamlit has some of the charts which can be plotted in just one simple command, and I'll just type the first one. That would be st dot line chart, and over here I will plot this data. So you have some other arguments such as height and width which you can pass to uh, make the plot of a particular size. So I'll save this for now, and we need to first activate our virtual environment. So I'll type env slash scripts slash activate, and now streamlit run and the name of our script. So over here you can see we got the line chart, and over here we have the legend, and this is a interactive plot, so you will see the values when you hover over it. So like here we if we go, so this is the index 59th and we have a value of 1.361 and the variable is b. So similarly you can add a area chart. So st dot area chart and data, and similarly you have the arguments such as height, width, and then the third command that we have is st dot bar chart. So these are some of the charts that are usually made. So we already have a command. So if I save this and go to our app and rerun always, so over here you can see this is the area chart that we got, and similarly this is the bar chart, and you can see this is an interactive chart that we get. So Python has a lot of libraries that helps us to visualize data or create charts. So one of the most famous library is matplotlib. So now we will see how we can plot the matplotlib figures. So first of all, we need to import matplotlib. So I'll type import matplotlib dot plot as plt. So if you don't have matplotlib installed in your environment, just type pip install matplotlib and it will install it. I have already installed, so it shows all requirement already satisfied. So next we'll create a scatter plot, I guess. So we'll type plt dot scatter. Then I'll use the data a for the x-axis and then data b for the y-axis, and I'll save this. So now if I type st dot pyplot, so had this been a regular Python script, you had to type plt dot show, but since it is a Streamlit app, you need to type st dot pyplot. So once you save this, and I'll just rerun the app. So now if we go over here, so this is the scatter plot that we got using the matplotlib. So similarly, you can add the title. So I'll just add plt dot title and pass it as scatter and save this. So if I go and rerun this, so you see we get this scatter as the title. So this is how you can add a pie plot. Another one of the most famous library is alter. So I'll import alter as alt, and again if you don't have alter installed in your environment, so it has the command pip install alter, and it will install the alter into your environment. So let's create alter figure. So I'll name it as chart is equal to alt dot chrt chart, and then we need to pass the data. So I'll pass the data frame this, and then we need to add a marker. So I'll add a mark circle, and then we need to encode the data. So over here I'll mention x is equal to a, then I'll have y is equal to b and save this. Then to make this chart appear in your app, you need to type st dot uh, alter chart and then pass this chart variable. So I'll pass this chart over here and save this. So now if we go over here, we see this is the chart that we got using alter. So this is not an interactive chart right now, but we can make that using, like, if we pass over here tool tip, and I'll pass the dictionary A and then B and save this. So if I go over here now, so you can see we get this uh, values of A and B over here. So over here you can see that this chart is much smaller than these charts, and then we can make this chart use the whole column width by passing use underscore container width is equal to true. If I now save this and go over here, so you see it uses the whole container width over here. So you can also create flow diagrams inside your Streamlit app by using the st.graph viz chart, and then I'll use triple quotation marks, and over here I'll pass graph and the curly parenthesis. So over here I'll just type watch and then like, then like to share, then share to subscribe, and then share to also watch and save this. So over here you see we get this watch, like, share, subscribe, and then this share goes to watch. So like this you can create a flow chart inside your Streamlit app. So Streamlit supports other plotting libraries such as Plotly and Bouquet also, and you can create a figure and then use st.bouquet chart to plot bouquet charts, and similarly you can use Plotly charts to plot the Plotly figures. So you can also plot maps using Streamlit. So to plot maps you can just type st.map, and if you don't pass any arguments or parameters inside it, so it will just take the center of the world map and plot it. So if I save this now and go to my Streamlit app, so over here you see this map is created and it has taken the center of the world map and displayed it. So you can use data frames, but your data frame need to have a column which has a latitude and longitude, or lat or long named columns. So inside my snippets, I have a data frame. So I'll copy this data and paste it over here and rename this data to city, I guess. And now if I pass this city inside the map command and come over here, so you can see it plots the 4 cities that I have passed inside it. So we get Chicago over here, then we have Louisville over here, Topeka over here, and similarly we have St. Paul over here. So you can see the cities that we had passed and the latitude longitude which we was mentioned. According to that, there are red dots made on the map. So you can see over here we have these red dots. So now coming to the media part, we can also add media to our Streamlit apps. So to add a photo to a Streamlit app, you need to type st.image and then pass the location of your image. So like I have stored an image, let's say sal.jpg. So I'll type data double slash and then sal.jpg and save this. So now if I go to my Streamlit app, you can see we got this uh, picture over here. So you can pass in other arguments such as height and column to uh, give it give your image a particular size. Now coming to audio, you can pass st.audio and then you can pass the location of your audio. So over here I have a demo.wav file in the data folder, so I'll type data double slash and then demo.wav and save this. So if I go over here, you can see I have this uh, demo.wav file, and if I play this, this is what I get. So similarly, you can add videos to your Streamlit app, and for that you need to type st.video and then you can pass the location of your video. So that is data slash virtual.mp4 and save this. So if I go over here, now I have this video inside my Streamlit app. So this is the video. I have also uploaded on my YouTube channel, and you can also pass YouTube links over here and it will uh, embed that video into your Streamlit app. So let's say if I go over here and add this virtual environment video, copy this link and go over here and replace it. Hi there and welcome to the save video. This. In this video, and if I go over here, you see this virtual environment video that I had passed is over here. So it embeds the Hi YouTube video. And welcome to the video. So these are the ways by which you can add videos, audios, and in fact photos to your Streamlit app. So that's all for this video. In the next video, we will be seeing how you can add interactive widgets to your Streamlit app, such as buttons and then select boxes. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you, and please do like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.